Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me and welcome back. Today's video is going to be just little snippets of activities I do with Jackson to help him learn throughout the week. I've also included the different activity kits so that you can get some ideas of what I do with them and how I help him learn. So if you have a 1, 2, or 3-year-old or know someone with a 1, 2, or 3-year-old, send this video to them so that they can get some ideas of how to teach their toddler. So Jack is still really young, but I still do letter sound recognition just so that he can eventually become fluent. This is just one of the many ways I use fun activities for Jack to practice his letter sounds. This letter sound activity is similar to the first one, but it was done in the afternoon using some sensory water beads just to mix it up for him, and he also used his tongues to get those fine motor skills going. Yay! Thank you! That's another B. Say B. Good job. What sound does it? Good job. So today it started raining soon as we walked outside. Yeah. So I absolutely love Sync Play. It's really quick to prep. Give Jackson some measuring cups and some toys, and he'll have fun for a good 15 to 20 minutes. While he's pouring and playing with the toys, it's good for hand-eye coordination and imaginative play. What you doing? Now, the tape rescue does take a little prep. I usually do it the night before or ahead of time so Jackson's not too excited while I'm taping toys to a cookie sheet. But this activity is just for those fine motor skills. And then as we pull the toys off of the cookie sheet, I have him describe what he's pulling off. And it's really nice for sorting and fine motor skills and building vocabulary. I'm going to put the people in this one and the shapes in this one. So the people go over here. Can we put the people over here? Tyson, this is a person, so it goes over here in the orange ones. We have all the shapes. Can we say circle? Circle. Good. Jackson. What is this? Good. And remember. So this activity is very similar to the last one. It's a free play sensory activity with water beads. And I just allow both boys to explore. As they explored, we went through the different objects that they chose, which was really nice because Jackson and Jackson's friend, who was about 20 months old, were both able to go through each object and practice saying them, saying the colors and the shapes, and engaging with the different textures. And you're gonna like tighten try. Good. Put it on top. Is that red? No. Can you get out the red, Mama? There we go. Now tighten. Would you like to try using the tongs? We're gonna hold it. Yep. And we're gonna pick something up with it. As you can see, this week we really made use of the water beads, but this time we focused on sorting. So I put all green and red items in the water bead container so Jackson could use his tongs to pull them out and sort them. So I have a lot of different skills going on in this one activity. This is strawberry. What color is the strawberry? Red. So where does it go? What's this? Broccoli. Now is broccoli red or green? Green. For this activity, all I did was got a grid container and cut some slits in the top. There's so much you can do with the card slot. You can use letters or numbers or colors or shapes. What do you want to work on, Jack? I absolutely love this busy book. It has everything you will want to teach your toddler in it. Numbers, shapes, colors, letters, planets. So go ahead and find the link below. And I hope you and your toddler enjoys it just as much as Jackson and I do. Oh, those are holidays. Those are our planets. 1, 2. Yes, I know we're told not to give our toddlers much screen time, and I agree. But these educational games I found on my iPad have been so helpful with his learning journey. I will have the list of games I use for Jackson to help him learn down below.
Good job.
If you have been following me, you know how much I truly enjoy Heggerty Phonemic Awareness curriculum. Heggerty focuses on phonemic awareness, which gives the child understanding that letters make sounds and sounds make words. We use Heggerty curriculum 2 to 3 times a week, and they're super short lessons that are really easy to follow. So go ahead and check out the videos below if you're interested. Fox. Good job. Lash. Eyelash. Good. Say I. Now this activity we did on Friday because it's Friday Fun Day.
Do you know the name of it?
It was Oobleck. Even though I did more water than I was supposed to, this activity is really fun, and Oobleck is really easy to make. It's just 2 parts cornstarch and 1 part water. If you would like to start teaching your toddlers some science experiments, go ahead and get you some cornstarch and water and mix this together. Now, this is all I have for you this week. Down below, you'll find a weekly lesson plan for your toddler. Thank you so much for joining me, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.